Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the pTron Tango True Wireless Twins. So let's get right into unboxing these here. So now we're going to open up the box. There we go. And let's see what we have inside this box. So first of all, we have a little cardboard paper. We have a pTron sticker with, not a sticker, it's just a pamphlet which asks you if you love your product and asks you to leave the review. This is an instruction manual for the earphones themselves, so you can see how to use the earphones exactly in here. And within the box we also have the charging case of the earphones as well as the earphones themselves. So let's extract those and set them aside and see what else we have in here. Okay, looks like we have a little compartment here which has a few extra silicone tips for the earphones so you can find the right size for you. So on the earphones themselves you have the mediums attached, while out here you have the large and the small tips as options. So you can play around with those and see which really fits you the best. And we're guessing this is the charging cable. There we go. And yes, this is the charging cable for the wireless case, and it is unfortunately a micro USB charging cable and not a Type-C, but it's quite a long cable, a decently long cable actually, so we will need to, let's set this aside too. And that's about it for the packaging. So let's set aside the box and look at what we have here. So apart from the instruction manual, the charging cable and the extra tips, this is what you get inside the box: the charging compartment and the earphones themselves. So that's it for this video unboxing the pTron Tango True Wireless Earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.